Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Land Rover Discovery commercial. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Oops, didn't mean to shut that down, just meant to. And then we're watching out at the bottom here. Land Rover's already come up, but I'm going to click phone anyway, get it on the right phone. You've got select phone there, so we'll click Land Rover and it's asking me for a pin. The pins come up on here. It's generated a random pin, 1872. So if I hurry up and put that in, click pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Bluetooth pairing complete, and then here we go, Land Rover connected. So that's it.